Hi, welcome back. This time we're gonna try one of the face part ears. Uh, Ear is probably, in my opinion, more diverse and more intriguing than any other face parts like nose, mouth, eyes, because we usually do not see much. And it's one of the most difficult part of the body that you probably need more practice. So when I the, remember I said depending on the light, everything changes. Same thing happens. All the lines and shapes create this form, and then the light changes everything. So depending on the eye, you need to understand that things could be quite different depending on the angle, depending on the light source. Um, so when I was little, no, that's not the year. We did this, and then that's it. That was the year. All right, now there are many different kinds of ear here. I draw this line this way, but there are people who's more rounder. This part is longer. I remember reading this Chinese novel, and one of the character has a very elongated bottom part of the ear. Um, so some people, this is thin, thick, and usually this comes in the middle. And it's rounder. So this is the part that, if you have an earbud that holds like this, right? And there's a little bit of a line going on. Some people have this part coming out more. Some people have this one is also coming out more uniquely. Some people have this one more rounder. And some people do not have it, just go right into the skin. So again, please do not see this as just universal for all the ears, because there are so many different kinds that I cannot possibly explain everything. And again, I'm going to create a light source up there, and what's going to happen is this part is going to start getting dark. And this part, again, this whole thing will get dark. So I'm going to make this dark so you can see better what's on the top. And then this is usually the parts that gets the darkest, the most darkest part. And there's a tiny hole that's going to be in there. That's the parts that's go deeper. And this is the parts that sometimes some people have more folded part, some people have more soft transition. So some people have these two parts divided more clearly, some people not. So again, it's really diverse. So the things that we are doing right now is just one way of doing the ear. And this is the parts that's also really dark. light source is on the top, so you have to be careful not to make the top parts dark. So if light is stronger, then you will see the shadow falls in there, like this. And some people have this part like really come out strong. For mine, this part is not holding well, so I cannot really put earbug. It's gonna come right out. So very inconvenient. Right, so this is basically how the ear goes. Right? Okay, so that's how you do it. And if you have a hair, then everything will be more clearly falls around, right? Okay. All right. So next one, we tackle the most difficult one first, and after this, we might do eye separate, just one, and nose and mouth, right? Okay. See you on next video.